That's Aladdin! And he hates when someone touches his mirror because this is his favorite toy. He hates anybody coming near the mirror. This is the spoon coming near the mirror. Near the mirror. He's coming near the mirror. Near the mirror. He's finding the mirror. He's protecting his mirror. I'm gonna touch your mirror. I'm gonna touch your mirror. Oh, that's enough. Holy cow! Hey.
Careful. Is he coming after your finger now?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.